So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're unboxing, well I've already unboxed it, but I said I'd make another attempt on this video. So this is the Britain's brand new Ford A210. Very classy tractor. I think it's probably one of the better tractors that Britons have produced. When I first heard that they were making coming out with this model, I was so delighted. I was like, as soon as that comes available, I will be picking one up. And eventually it did arrive. I think it came out in February last. But yeah, unbelievable tractor all around. It has really high detailed, unique brand new rims for the back. As you see, the proper A210 wheels and front hubs. This is a Series 3, I believe, from the sticker. And it has obviously a Super Q cab. And the other tractor I have alongside it is the Ford's Britain's TW20. So it's a good comparison tractor to compare the two with. This is obviously just a Q cab, and then the A210 is a Super Q. As you see, it has no headlights on the top, but also there's a lot more unique things on this tractor, including thanks to a recent Even Flow video, I realized that the dashes, these tractors had a digital dash. And you can see that it has the digital dash in the cab. It also has the gear sticks in the right place, spool valves, and then seat. And then to the back, it has obviously white mud guards with the black mouldings on the back. Of course, you have your Britain's hitch. But overall, a very nice tractor. I'm delighted with it. You can take off these front weights. It's just a bolt in underneath. When that's off, you can take the bonnet off. It does expose more the engine. The engine detail does go up. So if you really wanted to, you could cut these out if you didn't like having the side panels on. The detail is there. And they didn't skimp out at all of this tractor, especially like the paint and the indicators. Obviously the brand new Ford sticker. And of course the Ford badge on the front, very important. They also have just small little details all around, but this tractor is very well detailed, and for the price it is too, it's very good. Britain's come out with a John Deere 4755 or something like that, but it's very expensive, and I just couldn't bring myself to buy it. Of course, this tractor was more reasonable, around €40 I got mine retailed at. So happy with it. It's a fine model. Of course, comparing that to the TW20, has a lot more detail and is just all around nicer looking tractor, I think. That's only my opinion. I believe that these hubs are the same. This is obviously turned inwards and this is turned outwards. But it's nice to have the two different variants. The grills are obviously one's black, one's white. Even the headlights are slightly different. They're obviously out farther out on the mud guards, and then it's just a different front axle as well. You can see that the stabilizers are different on the front of the TW20. So it's a nice little bit of comparison between the two tractors, but it will look pride of place on anyone's carpet farm. So yeah, of course I couldn't help myself. I wanted to buy a Suzuki bale trailer equipped with so 30 bales of hay or straw, and it's well portioned in comparison. I know this is not a Britain's trailer, and yes, I know it's not blue, but it's nice comparison to have it on the farm or on any layout. Of course, I do have John Deere tractors, so this trailer will look better on the back of one of them, but for now it does look good on the back of the A210. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Very quick video, but hopefully just got the point across, showing that brand new Britain's A210. And as I think you can agree, it's a smashing model for price, but also in quality and all around what it's meant to be. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.